Today we will be showing you how to replace the control card, or SCB, in a Quantum Scalar i3 and i6 tape library. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with your system administrator. The replacement procedure is the same for both the i3 and i6 libraries. If you need to order a replacement SCB for your i3 library from the Rocket platform, please use part number 3-07062-02. If you need to order a replacement SCB for your i6 library from the Rocket platform website, please use part number 3-07062-03. If you are still able to access the Web GUI, you should go into the Web GUI and save your configuration before replacing the SCB so that you can restore the configuration to the replacement SCB after it has been installed. Additionally, you will need to know your network IP address, subnet, and gateway in order to set these settings on the replacement SCB. If you are unable to access the Web GUI or the SCB is completely dead and you do not have a saved configuration, you will need to rebuild the configuration from scratch after the installation is complete. This will also include installing any license keys on the library. Any questions in regard to existing license keys for your machine should be directed to Quantum. Once the configuration has been saved, you can power down the library using the Power Shutdown menu from the front panel or the Shutdown option from the Web GUI. Once the library is powered down, you can label and remove all cables going to the control card along with all power cables going to all power supplies. You can then loosen the thumb screw that holds the SCB in place and pull it out of the library and set it to the side. Line up the new SCB with the guide rails in the open bay and slide it all the way in and tighten down the thumb screw. Reinstall all cables going to the SCB and then finish the replacement process by plugging in all cables going to all power supplies. The library will then power on and initialize. You will now need to configure the network settings of the replacement SCB to match the settings you obtained from the old SCB. Once this is done, you will be able to connect to the new SCB via the Web GUI and either restore your saved configuration if you have one, or set up your new configuration from scratch if you need to do so. If you are having any difficulties with your SCB installation or the replacement SCB does not fix the errors you are having, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will be happy to assist you.